I'll be back in a moment. Hello, my materialistic minions. It's me, Beau, coming to you today with this electric bike from Sailnovo. Now, I find it extremely beneficial to have a review where you go through from square one. What does it even look like when it shows up in the mail? How do you put it together? Because I don't want to buy something that's going to take me 2 hours to put together. So this video will answer that question. Let's get started.
Yeah!
Well, that was arguably the easiest setup for pretty much any kind of scooter or electric bike that I've ever bought off of Amazon.com. So let's go ahead and rotate the acceleration and take a quick little see. Here we go. Oh, how easy. Now, what makes this such a good commuter option is the pedals. I know that seems like a no duh, but the actual setup of this thing is very, very similar to conventional scooters in terms of the acceleration and the braking, except of course, obviously, scooters don't have pedals. And so the gear is positioned in such a way that it's a very high gear, meaning that if you need that extra oomph to get up a hill, that's where this thing thrives. If you have a scooter, it's a little awkward trying to kick an electric scooter up a hill because there's so many batteries in an electric scooter. So if you are looking into commuting, getting from point A to point B, throw this in the trunk of your car and then hop out. This is an awesome option, especially when it's raining, because look, there are even fenders on there to keep your suit dry. So let's say, for example, your battery dies for some strange reason. You're out in the middle of nowhere. You can still pedal, you can still go. So the cool thing about this is that it folds up fairly nicely. So for example, watch the pedal. So she pushes the pedal in like that, and then it folds down like so. And both pedals are able to do that. Plus the actual stem, all you have to do is open that up like so, and then the whole thing folds down nice and compact, and you can put it in the trunk of your car. And then when you get to your location, pop it up. Look, I'm even doing this with one hand, and away you go. Easy to set up, fast charge, it's powerful, it actually brakes when you need it to. A few other features, obviously we have a kickstand, and we also have rear suspension. It's very slight, it's certainly not like a mountain bike, but it soaks up a little bit as you're going over some bumps. There is no front suspension. Got the horn. And then the lights on the front as well. Oh, this has some zip to it. Wow. All right, everybody, that is it. 5 out of 5 stars, absolutely. Could not recommend this more.